Properly aimed headlights are crucial for safe nighttime driving as they ensure optimal visibility without blinding oncoming drivers. In this video, I'm going to show you how to properly adjust the headlight aim on your Kia Sportage. Before you begin, you will need a few basic tools: a measuring tape, a Phillips head screwdriver, and some masking tape. Make sure your Kia Sportage is on a level surface and that your tires are properly inflated. It's also important to ensure your vehicle is at its normal operating weight. So open the liftgate and remove any cargo that you might have in there. Also, bounce the car on all four corners a few times to level out the shocks. Additionally, the fuel tank should be at least half full to accurately simulate normal driving conditions. Finally, check that your headlights are clean, as dirt and grime can affect the beam pattern. Next, find a flat surface with a wall or a garage door where you can park your car around 15 feet away. The surface should be level and the wall should be perpendicular to the ground. Now we have to locate the center of the headlights. Don't worry, it's very simple. The center of the headlight is actually marked on the glass. If you look closely, you will find a very small circle embossed at the center. This is the center of the headlight. Now measure the height from the ground to the center of each headlight. Go to the wall and use your measuring tape to mark the same height on the wall. Place a piece of tape horizontally at this height. This line will serve as a reference point to help you determine if your headlights are aimed correctly. Now open the hood of your Kia Sportage and locate the headlight adjustment screws. There are two screws for each headlight. The screw near the top of the headlight is for horizontal adjustment, and the screw near the bottom of the headlight is for vertical adjustment. If you look at the top of the headlight, you will see the markings on the headlight. Right and left for the horizontal adjustment, up and down for the vertical adjustment. Now turn on the headlights and make sure they are set to low beam. Let's adjust the aim of the passenger side headlight first. But before you do that, block the light from the driver's side headlight. You can place a chair in front of the headlight with a jacket on. Do not directly cover the headlight as it may melt the headlight due to excessive heat. Using a screwdriver, adjust the vertical screw to align the top of the headlight beam with the horizontal line you marked on the wall. The headlight beam should be slightly below the line to avoid blinding oncoming traffic. As you can see, my passenger side headlight beam is a little low, so I'm going to raise the beam a little. Rotate the screwdriver in the clockwise direction to move the headlight beam in the upward direction. I'm going to raise the beam until it is just touching the lower part of the tape. To adjust the aim of the driver's side beam, move the chair that you placed earlier to the front of the passenger side headlight, so that only driver's side beam is visible on the wall. My driver's side beam looks fine and does not need any adjustment. Once you have made the adjustments, remove the chair, take a step back and check that both headlights are aimed correctly. If needed, fine-tune the alignment until you are satisfied with the results. Finally, take your Kia Sportage for a test drive to ensure the headlights are properly aligned on the road. Make any minor adjustments if necessary. It's always a good idea to recheck the alignment after any significant changes to your vehicle, like replacing the headlights or suspension work. And that's how you adjust the headlights on your Kia Sportage. Properly aligned headlights not only enhances your visibility at night, but also keeps you safe on the road. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to WheezJoint for more car maintenance tips. Thanks for watching.